So I just finished right now making a broker review video for a brand new Forex broker that just came out. They have a trading competition going on and everything. And that brought me up to a good video topic for today, and that is how you can make your first $50,000 trading Forex. Now, a lot of people don't have that kind of capital to start out with. Well, actually, a lot of people do have that kind of capital, and every single day when people start out trading, they deposit 100 grand, 500 grand, $1 million. You just don't see them because they're generally not on social media talking about it. So how can the average person out there, maybe with a stable job, maybe you have minimum wage income, maybe you're a part-time student, how can the average person out there in society earn the first $50,000 trading? And one of the easiest ways to do so is through a trading competition. So this Forex broker, I'm going to have a link down below, the one I reviewed the other day, they actually have a trading competition going on. And the way it works, it's not based on who can make the most amount of money. It's based on who can grow their account the most by the percentage. So here's an example. Let's say you start out with $100 in your account, which is a very small account. Almost anyone can do that. If you start out with $100 and if you turn that into $200, that's about 100% growth, right? So from 100 to 200. But let's say somebody comes in and deposits $1,000, and let's say they make $500. Yes, making $500 is more money than making $100, but they only grew their account by 50%. Therefore, you would win because you turned 100 to 200. So you can see how this puts it at an even playing field for anybody in the Forex industry to take part in this trading competition and to see what they can do. Now, let's say you're brand new to trading, you know how to place a trade, you know how to draw trend lines, right? But let's say you're not a professional, you're not consistent, and you're probably doubting yourself like, well, I don't think I'm gonna win. Well, you have to remember, almost every single person participating in this competition is thinking the exact same thing, because this is based on a live account. So this competition isn't a demo trading competition, it's a live trading competition. Therefore, the emotions based around the actual trading part of it are gonna be 10 times different than trading on a demo account. Therefore, people are gonna react more emotionally. People are gonna behave more like traders actually behave, which gives you more of an opportunity to rise the ranks and eventually win the trading competition. So you have the same ability to win this trading competition, just like I do, or any professional out there participating in the competition. If there are professionals participating in the competition, everybody has an equal opportunity because this is based on percentage growth, not the dollar growth. So you can start out with $100, you can start out with $50, with $10. The minimum deposit is $10. So you can start out with any amount of money you want. Most people will be starting out with $500 to $1,000, so they have more margin to place more trades, but it's totally up to you and how much you want to start out with. So if you just want to have fun, right? Let's say you're brand new to trading, but you want to have fun and you want to say in the future, yeah, I participated in a trading competition, then participate. You know, I really do encourage you to participate, see what you can do, because who knows, if you end up in the top 3, you're going to win a minimum of $10,000 and a maximum of $50,000 straight to your account. So I really do think it's worth it. You should try it out. It doesn't matter if you're brand new to trading or if you're experienced. This is a really cool thing to kind of see how well you can trade and how well you can put yourself against other traders as well to compare. So I think it's pretty cool. Link is down below. Check it out. Just something interesting I wanted to share with you guys about a trading competition in the Forex industry. You can trade anything you want for this competition: stocks, Forex, cryptos, indices, anything you want. Nothing's off limits. So that's it for this video. Just want to make a video saying how you can make your first $50,000 trading Forex. It's not through trading Forex, it's through this trading competition. So the winner gets $50,000, all right? That's it. Take care, and see you next video. Bye-bye.